Looking for a versatile toolset for your metal, wood, or plastic projects? Check out the Hi-Spec metal files. This complete set includes full-length and needle files, a stiff wire brush, work gloves, and sanding paper all stored in a durable zipper case. Perfect for shaping, deburring, and fine detail work, these high-quality files are made from heat-treated spring steel for durability. Whether you're EI enthusiast or professional, the Hi-Spec metal files will help you get the job done with ease. You'll find the purchase link, description, and in the pinned comment. Discover the Presch hand file, the ultimate all-rounder for your EII projects. Perfect for shaping metal, wood, or plastic, this versatile tool delivers fast and efficient material removal. Its soft grip handle ensures a comfortable, non-slip hold, while the sharp crosscut design guarantees precise results every time. Crafted from hardened carbon steel, it's built to last and withstand tough tasks. Whether you're professional or hobbyist, the Presch hand file, your go-to tool for perfection. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a versatile and reliable tool set for your EII projects? The AojSup Files Set includes 17 high-quality files crafted from premium alloy steel designed to handle wood, metal, glass, ceramic, leather, and more. With ergonomic handles for comfort and a sturdy carrying case for easy storage, these files are perfect for shaping, refining, and finishing. Whether you're hobbyist or professional, this set is your go-to for precise and durable results. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Libraton File Set, your ultimate EII companion. This comprehensive 31-piece kit includes high-quality metal files, needle files, sandpapers, and a steel brush, all housed in a convenient zipper bag. Designed for durability and comfort, the ergonomic rubberized handles provide a firm grip for precise work. Perfect for shaping metal, wood, jewelry, or ceramics, it's ideal for detailed projects and tight spots. Hobbyist or professional, you'll love how easy and efficient your work becomes. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Effectwork Needle File Set, your go-to solution for all your shaping and finishing needs. This heavy-duty 6-piece mini file set is perfect for working on metal, wood, jewelry, mirror, glass, tile, and ceramic surfaces. With ergonomic, non-slippery rubber grips, these tools offer exceptional control and comfort. Ideal for professionals and EI enthusiasts alike, they deliver precise results in tight spaces and small surfaces. In hand projects TA, you'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Tonmifr Files, your ultimate metalworking companion. Crafted from high-carbon steel, these durable files resist bending and stay sharp through hundreds of hours of use. With 5 specialized shapes, they handle 95% of your metal and even some wood projects with ease. The heavy-duty storage case keeps everything organized, making them perfect for both professionals and IA enthusiasts. Whether shaping, deburring, or finishing, Tonmifr Files deliver precision and power. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for reliable woodworking tools? Meet the Preciva Wood Files, a set of 3 durable and sharp tools made from 55.3% carbon steel with deep hardened teeth. Whether you need flat, half-round, or round files, this versatile set is perfect for shaping, smoothing, and detailed work. The ergonomic handles ensure comfortable, secure grip, reducing fatigue during long projects. Built for long-lasting performance, these files are ideal for both beginners and pros. The purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.